Hi everybody, welcome. It's Mommy Bell and we are needing to review a few things. It's midterm now up at one of the schools where we are running a co-curricular club and children are learning how to program through ComputerCraft. Now in front of me our computer is placed down, and I crafted this a while ago, you guys, 4 weeks ago, kind of at the beginning of the school year. If you are not at this stage yet, please make sure that by next week you have crafted your computer and you have also crafted a turtle, and I am going to show you those recipes now. Well, wait, actually I've got to sleep first. So we're playing in survival for fun. We're playing in survival because I kind of thought this would be a fun way to progress through the challenges that I've set forth for your child, or for children anyways. If you're watching this, you're not part of the program that we have been working with, this is easy peasy. You can just go to the Turtle Store or Turtle App Store, and in the Turtle App Store, or at least at turtleappstore.com, you're going to find both reference to the book that is by Sweigart, I believe I pronounced that properly, the computer and a ComputerCraft updated mod that we play with. Okay, so first things first, who's playing with? Okay, there we go. All right, a computer. Straightforward, children. You need 7 smooth stone. So you need to go out and find the cobblestone and then smelt that stone down to be smooth. You need redstone. This is something that it took me about 40 minutes to find. It is possible to find it down there under the earth, under the ground. And then you need glass pane. Just one. When you craft them, though, I believe you get quite a few more. You're going to have to first make glass blocks, and you make glass blocks by smelting sand, and then you put 6 of those glass blocks together all around down the bottom here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then you're going to get like a bunch of panes. Okay, make that first, please. In fact, make 2 of them, you guys. Make 2. Why do I have... Okay, I don't know why I have 4 Tinky Winky sticks. That's just strange. Then after that, oh lovely, who took it? Dudes. Alright, hang on a sec, I'm gonna fix this. Okay, for some weird reason it's not letting me actually place what I need to place here to show you guys. Why is it going back on? To show you guys how to craft a one of these. One of those. Okay, that's a turtle, a ComputerCraft turtle. This is our okay, I don't know why the command line prompt is up, because it's actually activated. Okay, that's one of these. That's a computer. You want to put it there, and then you need 7 iron, okay? And then we need to craft a chest. Put that chest underneath. Let's do a chest here. I'm playing in survival. Okay, this shouldn't take us more than 1 sitting. When I say 1 sitting, I mean 45 minutes. We always take breaks every 45 minutes too, so you don't want to play for more than 45 minutes at a time. All right, so that was my debug screen. Never mind. Those are your recipes, guys. Those are your recipes. Please get those built. And next up, I'm going to show you how to do some fun stuff with our turtles. Okay, so for the sake of showing you guys a computer, I think that's the front of my computer, my turtle. Okay, here's the difference. This is a computer. This is a turtle. All right, we're going to be working with our turtles first, however, and what we have to do, you need to make sure you do this, is we have to set a label for our turtle. If we don't set a label, we risk losing all of the fuel that we end up fueling our turtle with, and any disks with programs that we have any programs that we have pre-programmed or written for our computer. for our turtle will be lost, okay? So, the way we do this is, and I saw a bunch of you trying to type this in this morning. You were typing label. You were typing this. That's not label. Label is what we have to type. Label, and look at that. So the command line is actually showing me some suggestions. If I press tab, that will bump me right to the back, right to the next line. This is what we need to type. Label set. Let's call this, the same thing that our author is calling his little turtle, Sophonisba. Where did that come from? Sophonisba. Okay, so we're gonna call our turtle Sophonisba. Press escape. There she is. Or he, she. Perfect. Okay, great. So, next up, are we gonna actually ask our turtle to dance? I don't know if our turtle actually is in the right kind of space here to dance. But we could try. Let's try. Hang on. All right, so let's try this. Let's enter in the dance command. Preparing to get down. Press escape, and then there you go. Standing in one spot. So, because Sophonisba is only in one spot, we do not need to fuel her. But we will have to fuel her if we want her to move forward and backwards. Right? And now, how do I stop him? How do I stop her? How do I stop her? Hang on. Do we actually go? Do we go? Press any key to stop the groove. Okay, let's do that. Any key. Oh, not that key. Not that key. Hang on. Let's type in G. Stop. No. It worked. There you go. All right, we stopped her from dancing. Okay, next up, we have to fuel our turtle. Now, fuel comes in many shapes and sizes. We can use sticks, we can use wooden tools, maybe leftover stuff. We can use wood, planks, coal, blaze rods? We can use blaze rods. All right. And we can use buckets of lava, I believe. And, of course, coal blocks. So, each unit of fuel, I believe, will allow your turtle to move one block. I believe that's how it works. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. You can correct me if I'm wrong. So let's see what kind of fuel I've got handy here. Again, we're playing in survival, and oh, that's okay. Oh, I had another turtle here. Annabelle. Oh. Fuel. This is fuel. Let's use the oak blocks. All right. Okay, Sophonisba. Now, down in the lower right-hand corner, we have the inventory, the fuel inventory for our turtle. This is our own inventory here. And this is what we call the command prompt, or our terminal, command prompt terminal right here, which is what I am typing into right now. Okay, so I am going to add 64 fuel. Okay, I'm going to add 64 plank. And I'm going to type in refuel. Does this work? Does this work? It only ended up taking one of my blocks. So I want to refuel. I want to refuel with all 63 of those planks. There we go. My fuel level now is 960 units. So 960 units means that we can move 960 blocks with our turtle. Yay! Do you guys hear that? Okay, I think this is a bit of a problem. We need to make sure you're working behind closed doors. Never mind setting one of these turtles of ours outside just yet. We're gonna... Oh. Yeah, we're gonna... Okay. Yeah. Alright, maybe what I should be doing is sleeping again. Okay. Yawn. That was a nice sleep. Oh, look, I can hear those zombies. Yeah, okay. The sun's out. All right, so we have fueled Sofanizba. And what we're going to do next? Oh my lord, they are noisy, guys, aren't they? Okay. All right, now they're gone. What we're going to do is we're going to move our turtle. We are going to command Sofanizba to move forward, backwards. No, maybe not backwards. Well, let's try to do the move forward, okay? So simply typing in go forward, not left. Just go forward, not go. Hang on. Wait. Maybe go. Let's try go back. Let's try go back. Go forward. Go back. Go forward. Go back. Come on. Whoa, what's happening here? How come I can't? Hang on just one second. Okay, I actually think my computer is trying to move forward and can't. See? Okay, so we need to make sure, and that's why we couldn't see our command line come up here. So let's just ask her to go back again, and just back. And I think if we just type in go back, there she is. She comes back one. All right. So, so make sure there's nothing blocking your computer. I'm gonna fix my house again here. Hang on. All right. So we know. Oh, let's leave that open. There we go. Okay, good. So we know some of the basic go forward, go back. We can also ask our turtle to go forward to, or go forward back, or sorry, go back to, and we can also ask it to go. Let me see if I can do this. To go up. Whoa! There she goes. Up one. Okay. And go down. All right. So this is pretty straightforward, I would say. But next, what I want you to do is, and I know some of you were kind of looking at me sideways when I was saying this last week, but do you know that we can actually ask our computer to do math for us? Either our computer over there or our turtle will both actually do math for us. So let's have a look-see at that. So what we're going to do is we are going to begin with understanding Lua programming, which is the basis of how our ComputerCraft turtles and ComputerCraft computers work. So in our book, we're still on chapter 2, I believe. Yes, we are. Chapter 2. Running programs that turtles come with is useful, but the real power comes when you write your own programs in the Lua programming language. First thing that we're going to have to do is we're going to have to right-click on our turtle or our computer to move ourselves back to that GUI. And let me do that right now. All right. So all we need to do is simply type in Lua to access it. All right. So our Lua prompt is now active. There we go. And it says there, just remember, we have to read everything that we see here. It says call exit to exit. So in other words, when we want to exit from Lua, we're going to have to type in what the prompt has just told us here. This is how we exit from Lua. And now we're back to the surface of our programming of our turtle, which is just the that prompt. Okay, so again, Lua to access the program itself, Lua. This is where I was showing everybody this morning how to do math. So 2 plus 2. Oh, how about 22? 22 plus 2. Okay, it doesn't matter where we enter this in. It'll still, even if we have a space, it'll still give us our result, which is, of course, 22 plus 2 is 24. Now, the reason why I'm wanting you also to do math in our turtle is because you are going to have to decide how far up your computer is going to have to go in order to get to our inventory pets cloud. And in our on our cloud is where we're going to find these inventory pets that you actually see I've got in my inventory right now. They give us special powers, all kinds of special powers, and can do extra things for us too, which is really, really handy. All right, so when it comes to doing the math for us too, did you know that when you want to type in a multiplication, do we type it in like this? 2 times 3. Let's see. Oh, for input string, I believe it's going to tell us, oh, it should say unexpected error, but it's not saying that. Ooh, okay, so this is actually the incorrect way of doing it, and what we need to do is use that little symbol above our 8, above the number 8. So if we wanted to do 2 times 4, we need to use that star symbol, and then it will understand that we're asking it for a times equation. Lua also understands the order of operations, so if we want to tell Lua that we want it to tell us what 2 times 4 minus 6 is, it will understand that it has to do its multiplication or division first before it does anything else. There we go. So 2 times 4 is 8, minus 6 is 2. Okay, so we've learned some basic Lua programming inside of our Lua shell. So this stuff is pretty straightforward. I mean, math is actually what we call expressions that we create using values and operators. So values are things like a value is a number, like 2 or 4, and operators are like plus, minus, divided, and times. So the other thing that we've learned to do are use functions, and those are like the little mini programs that we have inside our program to perform things such as moving forward and moving back. Next up, I'd like to show you variables. Now, variables are going to be a way for us to keep track of a value. Now, that value might be something like coal. So let me show you how to do that. Okay, so let's assign something like coal. Do we have any coal? We need some coal here. We have no coal. All right. Give me a moment. I'm going to have to go mining. I'm ready. No! No, 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 no. Goodbye. Right. It's not night. We have some coal. We have some coal. We have some coal. And we have some bread, which we don't really need because we have Tubby Toast, but that's okay. The creeper's still at the door, so we better get to this. All right. We were going to assign coal. We were going to assign coal the value of 10. So that way, whenever we call 10, we know that we are telling our computer or our turtle that what we want to know about is coal. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to assign a single value, which is a number, to coal. The coal, you know, what you can see right now in my inventory. And the way that we're going to do this is we're going to type in coal equals. So that way, whenever we call up the number 10, our computer is going to know that what we're asking it to look for is coal, or at least the amount of coal that we happen to have in our inventory. So let's check and see if our turtle understands what this means. What do you think that would mean? So that would be, are you thinking what I'm thinking? It is. Cole, as per our turtle understanding, Cole understands that. Our turtle understands that Cole equals 10, right? So 10 plus 4 is 14. That's pretty cool. All right. So to see more of this good stuff, and since we have to end this video at this point, please refer to chapter 2 of our book. And we are going to continue in our next video with chapter 3. Thanks you guys for watching, and we'll see you the next time. Because I don't want to derp out and leave you guys with your Lua program open. Don't forget, excellent. Bye-bye.